Namaste. Today we will do the August haul. I have not purchased any coloring supplies as far as I can remember in August, but I have purchased some books. Mm, Still a lot more than I should have because I had decided I'll not purchase anything in August. But some of the books I had purchased in July, which I received in August. Very few, but yeah, there were a couple of them. But the reason why I ended up buying even these ones is because I found a used books section on Amazon, and the books were comparatively cheaper, and I just wanted to check what is the quality of the books if you buy them from the used section. I should say, touchwood, till now all the books that I have received are in considerably good condition, and I could have actually just purchased maybe one and that would have been enough, but me being me, I purchased some things which were like acceptable, some were in the good condition, as good as new, different categories, um, just to see how they were. What struck me was that a lot of Angela Porter books were available in that section. But maybe it is from my what you say previous searches that Amazon was suggesting that to me. Though I also have two other books which are in just general category, and the reason why I purchased them, one I think I purchased in July and it arrived in August. Um, but one I purchased because that book usually is very expensive, and I got an alert saying that the prices have dropped, and I didn't want the opportunity to go by, and that's why I bought that book. So let's go through the books and see what I have got. So to start off with, I think I need to adjust the camera angle a little bit. Yeah. So uh, some of the Angela Porter books that I purchased, one of them was this, the Entangled book. I have seen other people coloring this, and I always used to, being a pattern lover, I used to always like the way the pages would come out as, and I was keen on owning this book. But as I had promised myself, I will not spend money. I didn't want to buy a new book, and then I found it in the used category. So this is from the used category. The only difference that I can make out is that it's like, a slightly bruised book, but other than that, inside there is nothing. It looks a bit aged, so maybe this is from very old stock, and maybe people were not buying it, I don't know. But other than that, it's in pristine, almost pristine condition. So this is one. Then from the same series, I went crazy with the Entangled series. I purchased this one. This one is a little more worn, in the sense this cover seems to have been folded at some point of time like this, and seems a bit bruised, but other than that there's no other damage in the book. Again, it's from the used book section, and this one is called the Eerie Entangled Art. This again is quite a old edition, 2018. This is in fact a 2015. Then the next one from the same series I purchased was Entangled Starry Skies, and this doesn't have a label, but it was also from the same series, slightly bruised and not very well stored. And this is the book. mm, this one is a 2021 edition, so I'm actually surprised that it was even available in the used books section. Then from the same series I purchased this Entangled Gardens. Again, this one is having a little bit, it's like somebody kept something on this and then cut with a paper cutter or something, so there's a small cut. It's not even visible. I don't know if you can even see. I can actually just feel it, and a slight dent is there because of that. But other than that, there's nothing wrong with the book. And this is from again a 2021 book, which again I don't know how it could land up in a used section, but yeah, maybe because somebody received it in a damaged condition. Then we have again in the Entangled series, Entangled Forest. uh, this one also I purchased from the used section. uh, this is a 2019 one, and this for me, I'm actually confused if I did buy it from the used section because it is in such pristine condition. Then deviating a bit from the creative heaven, I will go to this book because this is a Angela Porter book, but it's with a different publishing house. Forever Inspired. Again, this is a used one. You can see it's bent a bit, but again the book is not actually used. It is just that maybe it was damaged and that's why it was kept. See, you can see here used. And this one is called Designer Doodles and Hidden Pictures. So here you can see the pages are a little bit bent, out of shape, but if I look at the page where I have to color, there is nothing wrong with it. So I don't mind getting books like this, even if I have to, it's not exactly in mint condition, but it doesn't bother me because I'm not really going to frame it or something. It's just going to lie in this book, so after coloring also, so it's okay. Then we move back to Creative Haven. As you can see, this is also from the used section. Again, there's nothing wrong. Looks like a label got stuck to this and then it was not coming off, and then maybe that's why they put it in that section. And this is by Ming Ju Sun. I have one more book by this artist and I really love the pages in that. It is called The Flower Fashions. So I like her designs. They are quite fun, and I will have a complete flip through of this book separately on the channel. You can have a look at this. I really liked this one. Then from Creative Haven again, and again from the used books section, I have purchased this one called Dreamscapes, and I forgot what the name of the author was. It's Miriam Adato, and it's sort of whimsical geometry. I don't know how you would categorize it. It's very doodly, but at the same time it's very swirly and all that. So I liked the patterns in this. Again, I will have a flip through of each of these books separately on my channel. So if you do like it, you can always purchase it. I'll be putting links for all these books. Then this is by Marjorie Sarnath. I don't know if I have any other book by this artist, but this is called Fanciful Sea Life, and this is a 2018 book, and of course, as the title suggests, it's everything about sea life. Again, I purchased this from the used section on Amazon. Then let me, again from Creative Haven. This book is by Jessica Mazurkiewicz. I am not sure how to pronounce the surname. I do have one or two more books by this artist. I don't know that. I remember the Huga book which I had was by this artist. I don't know which other. Maybe Stunning Succulents might also be hers. I'm saying that because it has pictures like this, so very reminiscent to her style. So this is her book, which is 2020 edition, so not a very old book. Then I have this called Celtic Mandalas by Carrie Buziek, and again it's from the used sections. Nothing wrong with the book except for a bit of staining at the corners, but other than that, nothing wrong. I don't have any other Celtic designs, patterns, nothing. This is the first one. I know that there are a lot of books in the Celtic series, but I find them too uh, congested, I would say. Usually those patterns are very close to each other, and I prefer sparsely designed pages. This is a 2017 copyright, printed by Dover Publications in 2020. So this was also one book that I purchased. Then again from Creative Haven, I have this book by Lindsay Bolan, and I cannot see the label, but I do remember that I had purchased it from the used section itself. mm, and this is Heart and Flower Designs on a Black Background. uh, I had not expected it to be this much black background, but yeah, it's not bad. I love the difference is when you have a black background, you cannot I cannot go to the colors which I go to with my natural instinct, so I have to put it a bit of a thought process in that. This is a 2015 copyright by Dover Publications, but this issue is printed in 2020, and this is it. So that's the one. I don't think I have any other book by Lindsay. Then uh, outside the Creative Haven series, I purchased this one by Jade Summer. I believe this is by some other artist, and Jade Summer is just the publishing company. And there are two artists in this, Joshua Dunbar and Alexander Francisi. And this one, I don't know which artist has colored drawn which image. uh, I have never had a book with any of these two artists before. Maybe I have had, but I don't know, because Jade Summer used to not include the name of the artist in their older editions. uh, More or less I'm okay with most of the images in this, and I should be fine. I don't think this was from the used section, uh, but I don't remember why I had purchased this. I think I had purchased it in July, and then I received it in August, probably. Yeah. And this book I purchased purely because they dropped the prices a little bit. Literally, I mean, it was like I used it as an excuse, but the thing is that the Hatchet Hero books, the Disney series, are very expensive. It's like I can buy three or even four books of maybe Creative Haven or a similar budget publishing house. So they are really expensive, so I did not want to spend money on these ones. But when they dropped the price, I knew I'll not probably not get a better deal, so I purchased it. So I usually keep all the books from this series in my wish list or basket or whatever, and so that I can get an alert when they drop the prices. So I think I do have this one, and I think I have this one, and I might have others, but I don't remember. So proves again that I have too many books. And this is a very new edition, 2021, so I was actually surprised that they dropped the prices. And this is the book. Again, I will do a separate flip through for all these books, and I would like it if you want to purchase these books, you use the Amazon affiliate links that I usually post under my video. It will help me to sustain my hobby, because I don't think I can go on purchasing more books or coloring supplies, even if they interest me, because it's just too much what I have already spent on. But that being said, let me know what did you think about the books that I have purchased. Also, I had a question when I was going through this fanciful sea life. I actually realized something, that I saw a crab somewhere here, and I have three siblings, okay, two sisters and one brother, all younger to me, and they all are Cancerians. Okay, so when I saw the crab, I was like, oh yeah, I can do it for one of their birthdays or something like that. And then, yeah, this was the page that I saw. And then I realized I don't have any book in which my zodiac sign is there. I am a Scorpio. So if any of you know of a book where there is a picture of a Scorpio, do let me know. I would like to color it. I'm not a very I will like to do this on my birthday or something like that. For me, my birthday is just any other normal day. I get up, go to work if it's a working day, and come back, eat my dinner and go to sleep. Believe me, not at all a very enthusiastic person as far as my own birthday is concerned. But just for the sake of it, right, because I realized that none of the books that I have, and I have hundreds by now, I have not seen a Scorpio picture anywhere. So if you all do know of any book in which I can find a picture of a Scorpio, I would really like to have a copy of that. And it doesn't have to be a whole book. If it is a PDF also, you can let me know and I can download it. But I personally don't like to do that, because I don't want to find another folder, or the trouble of printing and then finding a folder to put. So I prefer books because of that reason. But yeah, since I am looking for a very specific item, then I should be able to adjust as per the situation. So thanks for having watched, and if you have not yet subscribed, then please do so. I will put a link for all these books in the description box, and as I requested, if you are going to buy any of these books, please use the links that I have provided. It will help me. Have a nice day. Bye.